Good morning everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat today. It's Saturday morning and it's very late. It's very late. It's almost midday. It's almost midday.
You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me.
So we woke up really late. Andy was working late last night, so he didn't get home till 3 o'clock in the morning. So he didn't wake up very early. Naturally, neither did I. He's still upstairs asleep in bed, so I'm just gonna grab something quick for breakfast. I'm just gonna have some really simple today. I'm just gonna have fruits. I'm gonna have a banana and an apple. I would normally have a hi-fi bar with it to bulk it out, but because it's so late, I'm gonna be having lunch soon, so I don't wanna fill myself up too much. After breakfast, I'm gonna go shopping because I've got a few bits I need to get from Asda. And this afternoon, I'm going to Lakeside with my sister to get some Mother's Day presents. So I'm gonna eat these and then check back in with you soon. So what is this? So the doorbell just goes and this arrives. And all he said was, this has come from a foreign land. Eventually we get in. Stroop waffles. How many?
Lots.
So last weekend, Andy and I went to Amsterdam and had stroop waffles. And this boy became addicted to them. And he's now spent about £35 on this box of stroop waffles. Individually wrapped so he can take them to work. This is not good for my diet. Fresh out the box. So I just checked the sins of these and the app isn't very clear. It says for an 8-pack of these, they are 9 sins each, or for a 10-pack, they are 6 sins each. I don't know how that works out, they're obviously different sizes, but this is only a 2-pack, so who knows? Not very good though.
Warm it up on your cup. I have no cup, but if you could warm up.
Do you want me to make you a cup of tea? We're just going to Asda. We've got a few bits to get. We've got family over for dinner tomorrow, so we need to buy some food.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not
So, we've just got back from Asda and I've just made lunch. This is what we're having for lunch today. This doesn't look very appetizing, but it's really nice. It's chicken fajita pasta, and the way you make this is you just chop up some chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I use chicken thighs because that's what I had in the fridge. You cook that with 1 large onion, just cut it into slices. Whatever peppers you've got, we had red and green, so I've used red peppers, and there's some green in here somewhere. Here, some green pepper as well. Then you add some tomato puree and some chicken stock, make it into a sauce. Then you add your fajita spice. Now you can make your own just by using cumin, coriander, chili, stuff like that. I just used an Old El Paso seasoning, similar to this one. Not this one because this one's for tacos. I used a fajita spice, which was smoky barbecue, which I think works out for the whole sachet. It's 5 sins, and this made 4 portions, so per portion it's 1.25 sins. And then you just cook up some pasta, mix your sauce in with your pasta, and then you add as much cheese as you want. Because this made 4 portions, I grated 125 grams of cheddar and just mixed it in. And this is what you get. Yeah. So it's a really nice lunch, very filling, very healthy, full of speed because it's got peppers and onions and tomato puree in. All for 1.25 cents. So as you all saw, whilst I was in Asda today, I picked up the new Pinch of Nom recipe book. I haven't opened it yet because I'm going to do a separate video on what I think of it and my reactions to it. I am dying to open this book. And look, because I bought it in Asda, this is a special edition. It says Asda exclusive edition, includes 10 extra recipes. So I don't know what they're going to be, but that's always good. So I'm going to do a separate video on my review and what I think of this book once I've opened it. So please check out that video when I post it, which hopefully should be soon. I've heard good things about it, so I'm very, very excited. Now I'm off out to Lakeside because I've got a bit of shopping to do. It's Mother's Day coming up, so me and Charlotte are going to Lakeside to have a look for some Mother's Day gifts. And because we plan on being there all afternoon and into the evening, we're going to get something for dinner there. It's quite dangerous eating out, especially when you're hungry, and especially when you're going to a shopping mall like we are, because they have food courts, which is just full of temptations. But hopefully we can make a good choice. So my food has just arrived. I ordered chicken butterfly. I asked for the skin to be taken off and I added cheese, which is my second A choice. I got a small portion of spicy rice, which is 2 sins, and a small portion of char grilled veg. I can't find it on the app, so I don't know how many sins is in this, but I needed some speed, so I'm hoping it's not many. And I've still got about 6 or 7 sins left over for the day, so if there's a little bit of oil in it, then I'm covered. And I'm gonna have a tablespoon of Nando's medium sauce, which is half a sin, and I'm not having the balsamic vinegar because that is for Charlotte. So that's my dinner. So in total today, I had 1.5 sins in my lunch, 2 sins for a coffee, which I didn't show you because I was drinking it as I left the house, so that puts me on 3.5 sins. We went into Hotel Chocolat and couldn't say no to the shop assistant that offered us freebies, so I'm saying that that's 3 sins, so that puts me on 6.5 sins. 2 sins for my spicy rice is 8.5 sins. Half a sin for my peri-peri garlic sauce, which puts me on 9 sins, so I can allow 6 sins for the vegetables, which I don't think it's going to be. Hello everyone, I've just got home from shopping. It's so late, I didn't plan on being out this late. It's, wow, 22:22, so it's almost 10:30. This is all my shopping. Got loads of stuff today. So I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm not gonna eat or drink anything else. So that concludes my what I eat in a day. I really hope you enjoyed it. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye.